Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So it was a perfect weekend for Chicago, and this week should be warm and dry, so should be enjoyable. We'll see if the combines start rolling. Trip to Central Illinois yesterday saw the crops turning, but not a lot of harvest activity. Overnight, we've got prices up, led by beans and oil. A little bit of follow-through buying in the corn from Friday's USDA report. Could be some short covering in beans, wheat, and oil. When we looked at all the different analysts' guess after the USDA report and what they think carryouts are, the range in the beans was as low as 365 and as high as 590. The low is because they think harvested acres will be less than what the USDA says. The high number says that they don't think demand, especially the export, will be as good as USDA says. Most people think that beans will drift lower once the market either realizes the demand is slower or we get into the harvest activity. For corn, the range of guesses, 1584 to 1950. Government's 1592. The key is the size of the final corn crop. Will it get smaller, or will we actually get bigger yields as we move the harvest north and west? Most people think that corn prices will drift higher. Maybe limit to the upside to the $4, maybe $4.10 area because of harvest approaching and the export activity is quiet. In the wheat, most people agree with the USDA numbers. I think global traders are still bearish wheat prices, but wheat is oversold and could see some short covering, especially on the spread versus corn. We will be getting weekly crop ratings today. We also will be getting NOPA crush this week, and the FSA will give us a new numbers on enrollment acres. And some people think that could suggest maybe 300,000 less corn acres and 1 million less bean acres if the numbers come out where the trade thinks they are. Funds are estimated to be short beans, wheat, and long, not as much corn as the market had thought, but they did buy 20,000 contracts on Friday. So we'll just see how much follow-through there is. Outside markets will be watching the Fed action this week, and also the Chinese stocks closed lower after weak factory orders. So again, a little bit higher trade in the grains. These are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.